If you're experiencing FPS drops on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this easy guide to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Update Steam Deck software. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, navigate to System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the games you are playing. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows. This can help increase FPS and reduce lag. Step 3. Manage background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, go to Library, and exit any games or apps that you are not using. This frees up resources for your current game. Step 4. Adjust power settings. Change the power settings to prioritize performance. Go to Settings, then Performance, and select a power profile that favors high performance over battery life. This can help maintain a stable FPS during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the device's temperature. If the Steam Deck gets too hot, it may throttle performance. Ensure proper ventilation and consider using a cooling pad if necessary to maintain optimal temperatures. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in FPS on your Steam Deck. Enjoy your gaming.